Hey, what is up, lawn care community? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today I'll be showing you the JRCO leaf plow in action. I put it on my SCAG 36V Ride 2. So we're doing a fall cleanup in Royal Oak. Let's get to some footy. Alright guys, so we're getting going here. I just ran out of gas, so that's always good. But yeah, the leaf plow's been working. I mean, it works. It's honestly one of the best investments that we've ever made for fall cleanups, because there's no way that that tarping is more efficient. Obviously, unless you have a small 32-inch gate.